So today is a Wednesday, and I decided that we are going to go for a hike before I have to go to work. I caught that one on video.
Hey, be careful, it's a little slippery.
Thanks. So right now it's 9:38 a.m. and we're gonna hit Waterfall Canyon. At the end of the trail, we'll run into a 200-foot waterfall just on the city's edge. I mean, it's the easiest way to go hit a waterfall if you have 4 hours before work. Axton's getting ready right now. Boo's already ready. I'm ready, but for some reason Axton's taking his sweet time. Tessa, baby Tav, and Taylor's gonna sit this one out. They're still in bed.
Hey, we're out of here. Love you.
Tessa's been up with the baby, so. But yeah, let's hit this waterfall. You say it, Boo? Hit this waterfall? If you haven't, if you live in Utah, Ogden area, Waterfall Canyon Trail, awesome hike. Highly recommend it. Got the gear all packed up, got the drone, hopefully hit some footage. Axton finally got ready, had some issues with his camelback. Got Boo her water, so it's time to roll. Let's hit it. It's 9:58. I gotta be at work I gotta leave for work around 2:30, so we gotta hit it. All right. Alexis talked us into taking some mangy mutts back here. Who we got, baby, or Boo butt?
Andy, Randy, and I.
1 minute drive from us. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So, you guys ready for this hike?
Yep. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Trailhead. This is the start of the Waterfall Canyon Trail. If you ever want to get here, Ogden, 29th Street, all the way up to the top, and you'll get there. But yeah, hit up Rafa. Rafa said he'll come hit this with us, so he ain't too far away. Be cool. Oh yeah, child log, yeah. Y'all ready? Which way are we going? Oh, you put this one.
How exciting over here.
Yeah. First hill down and I'm dead. How you feeling, bro? Yeah, he's like, I'm good, whatever. Yeah. Come on, Boo. Come on. All right. Gotta pause a little bit. I'm dying over here. Ruby's okay. We're gonna have to pause and give him some water here in a little bit. We'll get to the top of this trail, and then we're stopping, give him some water.
And take a break.
And probably give me some water. Let's hit a water break real quick. Isn't the split right up this canyon?
Yeah, we'll get where the
bikes are?
Yeah, right there.
And then it's straight up.
Yeah.
Drinks of water. That means we need to hike more. More hikes. More hikes. Look, Axton looks dead. You good, bro? Alright.
Fine.
Look, we're almost there.
You're good, you're huffing and puffing.
Yeah, I'm dying. I didn't say I was good. There's like two portions to this trail. There's like the shoreline trail overlooking Ogden and the Great Salt Lake. And then there's this portion where it's just gorgeous. Shaded. Walk up this little creek next to us all the way up.
this is now a honeybee.
This is a honeybee.
Okay.
Do you ever do this hike in the winter?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The waterfall's frozen over. It's pretty dope.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
I think I'm getting old.
You think? I thought you were getting younger, man.
I wish. But if I'm getting old, what's your excuse, dude? Your roly-poly brain. Break 129. Me and Boo's getting beat. I think Ralph and Axton made it up already, but we're almost there. Come, Boo.
I'm not going up.
We're going up. We got this. Hi, Tete. Yeah, that sounds about right. I had to take 230 breaks on the way up. You still talking to Mom? Woo! Wipe out! I got you, baby. Here. Oh, fine. Don't let me help you. Feels so good.
Woo.
Careful, baby.
It's cold. It's cold.
Woo!
It's beautiful. I heard there's over here. So
Like getting rid of all the science experiments.
Enderman. Is that a good hike? She said yeah. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Is that a good hike? Dad, are you okay?
I caught that one on video.
Hey, be careful, it's a little slippery.
Thanks.
I think I got that one.
At least I didn't fall straight down that time. Oh, man.
Are you okay?
Yeah, baby, I'm okay. Come on, Boo Butt, nice and slow. Watch your steps.
Waterfall.
Oh man. That's worth the hike right there. Even coming down, that's gorgeous, man. That's beautiful, huh? Well, Boo got stung by a wasp while we were going through that gate back there. Your finger all right, baby? No? You're all right. We're almost out of this. Dang bees. We made it. All right, Ralph. I'll see you at work, brother.
I'll catch you
Later.
later.
All right, just a couple of falls. One sting. Axton's finding his sister some sting relief right now. That's Waterfall Canyon Trail. Not too bad, just a couple of falls. One sting. Like I said, top of 29th. On our way home now. Till next time. Catch you later.
Bye. You guys made it to the end, so congrats. I mean, I can't say anything. If you made it to the end, comment hiking. Love hiking. Something fun with hiking.